Yo, fellas, good evening once again. It's your boy this Papi here. So, date is 30th of June, and I know I've delayed for like fucking 2 days. I didn't record a video, but it was weekend, man. It was weekend. It was Saturday and Sunday. I didn't record any video, whereby I was supposed to record the did video for the day 5 and day 6 because the last video that we have recorded was the day 4 video, but let it make not be a problem because today I'm going to record the video for the day 5. Also, I'm going to record the video of the day 6 and today's video of the day 7. So whatever was planned to do on that fucking day, I'm going to do it today because my timetable was a bit tight. There was a lot of stuff that I was have to take care of. So you guys just I'm very sorry that was I didn't fulfill creating a video for those 2 days, but I promise I'll try never to let it happen again because this is like my fucking lifestyle, and this channel is to ensure that I show up every single day and to prove to the public that I showed up every single fucking day to the day when I'm successful. Then, when I'm just like a funded trader controlling that kind of sum. That's my goal, a $10 million total portfolio in my funded capital. Yo, man, I will have evidence that I showed from day one to that day when I'm officially funded like that kind of capital. I'm like that kind of a trader, man. So that's why I'm documenting this. So there is no day that's going to be missing again, man. So I'm really sorry. I will try whatever the case, even if it's by my phone or me walking and recording the video. I will do it next time, guys. I wouldn't like disappoint you guys, so I'm sorry for that, man. So let's jump straight to the day 5 video that was to be recorded on Saturday, but today is on Monday. But no worries, because on Saturdays and Sunday the markets are closed, so the forex markets aren't trading. So on those days we weren't going to do the chart analysis, but we were only going to discuss some things that will make us improve, and yeah, like fucking improve 1% better every day. So that's like fucking all, but let's continue and do what we are supposed to do on day 5. So what I previously planned it to do on the day 5 was to give you the progress of the trade that we took on the day 4. You remember on the day 4 there was like a fucking setup on the GBP USD pair. So for me it was like an A plus fucking setup because it was on my strategy, and I owned a risk of 1% on that trade. But what I'm willing, it's not good news. It's not like fucking good news because the trade ended up to be a losing trade. But the thing that is good enough, I know where did I went wrong, what was the mistake, and I know what I have learned in it. So we'll analyze and show you why the trade went into loss again, although it was in profit. So I will analyze and show you everything. So without wasting a lot of your time, let's jump into the charts and see what happened on that trade. So guys, as you remember, it was a trade on the GBP USD. Let me like open my fucking trading view. If you remember this trade, the trade that we took on the GBP USD. The trade went a bit on our favor. So after we opened our position here, the trade went into our favor, guys. You see, went up to here until where it came back, reverse, bang, 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 boom, and hit our stop loss. There is when we were just like the fucking liquidated. So the markets, if you cannot spot the liquidity, you motherfucking be a liquidity. You are just you are putting yourself in a position by that you are going to be liquidated. So I was like fucking liquidated in this order. So not bad, because I have learned something and I will share with you in this video. So Currently, let me like show you the loss that we went through. So let me just pull it out from another screen, like bring it to the screen that's like fucking recording here. Guys, as you can see here, oh, let me put my face here. Yo, so history. This is the history. So on that trade, we lost like $113, man. Yo, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. The previous trade we lost 52. Another we lost 113. Makes it a total of 165. Man, we are down 165 now. So when we look at our FTMO accounts, so just like let me like fucking open FTMO. What are the marks that are they giving us? What is our current performance? So this is like my menu here. So yeah, man. So where's this shit is just loading. So that's like if I can leave it, uh, we shall come and look after it lately. Because like open my profile account and whoa, account information, account information. No, I just need to see that point to find the account overview. Yeah, it's like on account overview. See where the fuck are we right now? Yeah, it's just like fucking loading, man. I don't know why. I don't know why. Don't know why. So let me just like leave it now, so like, not waste our time. So let us jump to the chart straight. So you remember, guys, we just took a trade on the GBP USD. So this was like a fucking setup whereby there was a formation of order block that met all our fucking four criteria, like four, five of them. All the criteria were met, and the order block was created. The block of structure was there. Everything, there was a liquidity sweep above this, below this order block. So after the liquidity sweep is when we take the trades. So there was no problem with the entry. You see, guys, there was no any problem with the entry. But the fucking problem was with, you know, I have learned that you have to plan where to enter the trade and you have to plan where to get out of the trade. So I only planned it where to enter the trade, but I didn't plan the where to get out of the trade. That's like my fucking mistake. I didn't plan where to get out of the trade. So the only thing that was in my mind is that I'm just risking 1% of my account, and apart from risking 1% of my account, the other thing that it was just all in my mind that I'm taking trade with a 1 to 3 minimum risk to reward ratio is 1 to 3, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, you know. But where where that 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio was supposed to be, that was like my mistake, because I was just taking my profit. I was just putting my take profit to the point where it will be 1 to 3 risk to reward, without considering whether the point where I'm supposed to take the profit is like what made me to put there my take profit. See what made me to put there my take profit. So it's like my order reached me here, I need to be taken out of the market at this point. What were the reasons for me to put the take profit there? I was not having that fucking reasons. It's like fucking true, man. I'm not lying. I was not having that reason, but I've learned it in a hard way. So it's okay. It's okay, because we are still learning and improving every single fucking day. So there is no problem. I have learned that I have to plan where to put my stop loss and where to put my take profit, but there must be reasons. Why am I putting my stop loss here, and why am I putting my take profit? So, guys, when you see this trade, you see this setup here, there is no problem with this setup. We waited for the confirmation, we opened the position. Yes, but the thing that was in my mind is that this trade has to be a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So as you see, where did I put my profit, my take profit? I put my take profit here. Okay, I put my stop loss here. You see, guys. So what were the reasons? What were the reasons for me to put this stop loss, this take profit here? There was no any reason. The reason was just to be 1 to 3. That's where the mistake was, because the likability, I don't know how can I term it, of price to come and hit this target, it wasn't there, because even before previously, price didn't reach this place. Oh man, just let me like reset the chart view. Price did not reach this place previously. Price didn't reach this place. So my take profit, I was fucking supposed to be put here. Here is where I was supposed to take the profit, this trade here. That will be more reasonable, because that one was the last higher high that was created. You see, there is where I did wrong, man. There is where I did wrong. I just realized it. I just realized this. So I must have the reasons for putting the take profit to the point where I'm putting, and I must have the reasons to put the so close to the point where I'm put. So I have learned it in a hard way, but I'm glad that I have at least learned it and discovered something else that I will add on my training channel, or I will add on my training plan. So there must be a reason for everything. There was no reason for this, man. There was no fucking reason. Why am I even fucking putting this take profit here? There's no that reason. There wasn't there, man. So it's okay. It's okay. It was a losing trade, guys. It was just a fucking losing trade. So, but life goes on. There is life after closing the position. So life goes on. We learn, we adapt, we go, man. So after there, this is what I planned to speak on the day 5. So because it was weekend, so I was just stopped out on Friday. On Friday, even the markets weren't closed. It was midnight. So let me like try to open this if it shows anything. My account, man, my account. Why? I need to see my overview. My overview. Download social medias. Oh man, where is my yes? Where is my profile? I don't fucking understand. No, I have a chat. Maybe I should trade that. My profile. Account information. Yeah, man. So I don't know. I don't know. Okay, okay. Let us just this like not fucking waste our time. We are currently have like 2 losses in a row. So at one loss we risk 1% of our account, another we risk 0.5. So we are 1.5 now down on the challenge. 1.5% down. So let's keep moving on, because it's not like fucking over until it's over. So let's like fucking move on and continue with other stuffs. So this all for the 5. So thank you guys, thank you for tuning in, and God bless you. Jeez, don't forget to pray. Don't yeah, because God is like it's like a number one trustee that you can trust and tell him everything about you, and he will help you and support you. Yeah, so we are not both like being born on this earth to come and live life that is full of hits, like a poor life. No one was planned to live a poor life, was born to live a poor life. So as long as you're alive, you have to like fucking hustle every single fucking day and ensure that you just prepare yourself better so that you can be a good father and a good husband, together with a good children to your parents when they are old and when you are grown up, so that you can have enough capital to support everyone who is depending on you. So guys, keep on working, keep on struggling, man. I'm there with you also. I'm working, I'm struggling. So let us continue being together in this journey, and let us continue hoping for the best, because every day has a like a fucking new day. So it's like every day God give you fucking new chance to try and work hard more than yesterday. That's like fucking all, guys. So I love you so much, love you so much. Continue tuning in, and I'm promising you to be with you from until the day that my goal is achieved. So I'll document every single fucking thing. I will document whether I'm sick, whether I'm outside. I've said sorry, and I will now even be using a phone to record. So guys, don't worry, don't worry. I'll just be consistent and just continue to be more disciplined, because this is what I'm supposed to do. This is what I'm supposed to do, supposed to be fucking successful. So that's like all. That's like all. Love you all. Bye bye.